it's really hard to come back from COVID. I'm lucky I'm a survivor, but my story could have been much different if I would have got vaccinated.
David Alvarez was one of Oregon's sickest COVID patients in the hospital for more than 80 days. He and his family are proof of what doctors have told us time and time again. People who are vaccinated don't get as sick from COVID as people who don't get the vaccine.
It's going to take a while, but I'll get through it.
Careful throughout COVID, the virus still snuck its way into the Alvarez family. In late April, David's mom, who was vaccinated, got it from a sick, unvaccinated family member.
She kind of got ill, so it was just kind of that sinus infection, just really didn't feel right, kind of head cold.
She passed it to David, Karen, and their 2-year-old Isaiah. Karen was vaccinated. David was not.
In the back of my mind, it's like, yeah, okay, let me take care of that. But the virus caught me first before I can get in and get vaccinated. I really wish I would have got vaccinated sooner.
49-year-old David got the worst of it. He says other than thyroid disease, he's healthy.
I was having trouble breathing, like catching my breath, just walking from room to room. I hit my watch to see my saturations, and they were in the 80s, and that's what really got my attention right away, and I called an ambulance.
He went into the ICU at Salem Health and got so sick, they transferred him to Legacy Emmanuel.
He was hypoxic. He was basically just suffocating.
There, he was put on the most intense COVID treatment, an ECMO machine, for weeks.
Lots of ups and downs, roller coasters.
Karen was in the hospital almost every day.
And I just wasn't ready, to not have him here.
As the love of her life fought for his life.
You just miss the sound of their voice and their touch and them looking at you.
Finally, David improved enough that on August 1st, he got out of the hospital, 82 days after first going in.
He's just a miracle in and out of everything that he's been through, and he is so resilient. He is so strong. It's all thanks to the team at Legacy, all of those doctors and all of those nurses that do all of that hard work. And without them, our story would be completely different.
He's working with PT and looking forward to getting his normal strength back.
It's spending more time with my 2-year-old. He's very active.
As they watch cases and hospitalizations climb, the Alvarezes say they're living proof. Vaccines make a difference.
I'm better, but it was still a very frightening thing to go through. Never want to go through this ever. I would never wish this upon anybody. I'm blessed to be here and to live to tell my story. And it's a cautionary tale of how important it is to get your vaccine. Don't wait. Do it right away and save yourself heartache.
Karen said she met other families in the ICU whose loved ones were 30, 40 years old, fighting for their lives. She says it's a stark reminder, this virus, it doesn't discriminate. Younger, healthier people are filling up our hospital beds, especially those who are not vaccinated.